Hey everybody, hope you can join me for the next live stream ukulele lesson. It's going to be on Sunday, March 28th. We begin every week at 12 noon Eastern Time. This week we'll be focusing on Bob Marley's Satisfy My Soul. Chords, lyrics, and a great lesson will be shared with you. Please check the links down below if you want to join me. You can watch live or anytime as a replay. Thanks so much for your support of my channel. Spring has sprung. I hope that you are doing well wherever you are. Join me this Sunday, March 28th, 12 noon New York City time for a great time playing our ukuleles and getting in the vibration of Bob Marley and the Wailers. After we're finished with the lesson, as usual, there will be a peaceful mindfulness meditation, something to focus our minds, open our hearts, and deepen our listening so our music can go ever deeper. Wishing you all the best. I look forward to seeing you this Sunday. Thanks.